item. This is a 7-piece gardening set. You need some help here?
I got it all in my bag.
You got it all in the bag.
All in the bag, exactly. So everything that you can possibly need, and we laid it all out so we can kind of talk through it. You're gonna get the matching garden gloves. There's one choice and it's gonna be in our multi. Look at this hat, hold on. I'm so in love with the coordinated hat.
You wanna do it? You wanna put the gloves on?
Yeah.
Why don't you do it?
I mean, hello.
I'm
gardening.
Love it.
Love. Look how cute these are. And I designed these again so that they're nice. They're a nice size. They have a nice grip to them.
Best idea ever.
The kneeler is by
Worth the price of admission.
hands down the best, isn't it? It's perfect.
This is like memory
super
foam
cushy,
or something there?
Yeah,
that's pretty good.
Yeah. No, can't claim a memory foam, but it's nice and cushy.
Pretty good.
Then, of course, we gave you two of your most used tools in the garden.
Adorable.
Especially when you're planting, when you're getting all of that stuff done. The little watering can, I love that idea. And then where do you put it all? Well, how about putting it all in this adorable coordinated bag? So think about what you would pay just for a hat, just for a pair of gloves, just for a bag, just for a kneeler. The fact that you're getting all of this in that coordinated look and you can take it with you on the go is just awesome.
Yeah. You know what I'm seeing right here too?
Tell me.
This is brand new today. Is there a mom or a grandmom for Mother's Day on your list for this item? Like, this is a crazy good Mother's Day gift.
Yes.
It's from you and you're giving it to your daughter who's a mom, and you say, you know what? I know you're just getting into gardening.
Yeah.
Here
are the necessities.
Here's the necessities, and you look cute, and it's great.
Look, I
think
that.
they'd love this as a Mother's Day gift.
And they're great pieces. Like, you're holding them, you can feel it, right? All of the metal is nice and thick. All of the pieces are meant to be used. The kneeler, fantastic. That for me is like a no-brainer. My mom comes over, we plant all of our herbs, we do our tomato garden, and we are constantly kneeling. So this was a must for me. And then to your point, if it's a gift, it already comes in the gift bag. Put a little bow on the strap, and you're ready to roll. The hat also included nice oversized
Can you
hat,
imagine if you gave somebody, if you sent somebody who's they're going through some tough time right now or whatever, and you say, you know what, try gardening, just try this. I'm going to send you this. And she got the bag and starts picking things out of the bag. And here's, and this, and this. You can put a gardening book in along with this, right?
Yeah, sure. You could put some seeds in here if you wanted to.
Put some seeds
which I love.
there.
So then everything's kind of all ready to roll. Maybe they don't know what to plant or start with. They want to start an herb garden. You can, of course, do that. So look, I love like potting some of the little plants back here. This is so great. And notice that everything is coordinating around there. So the tools are fantastic, nice and sturdy. The kneeler, the bag, the gloves, the hats, everything you could possibly need.
Yeah.
Just add some seeds and water and some fun.
The
and you're ready
fountain
to roll.
last call now, by the way, the fountain last call. So once again, if you're just joining us, there's a lot going in the bag. It's all in the bag.
It's in the bag.
You get the bag. You get, along with that, the hat.
Yeah.
The gloves.
The hat. The gloves,
the tools,
everything you could possibly need. The
little
watering can, which I love. So again, smaller tasks, right? Like some of your little perennials and plants that you're putting in there. The kneeler, super cushy, right? This is what we're talking about.
Super duper cushy.
It's really nice.
Gotta have the
nicely
kneeler.
made, and everything coordinates.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
M80525, item number. You know what I want to do? I just want to make sure of one thing. We got so many brand new customers who join us. You have been part of Temp-tations, which is the culinary. Serve it, bake with it, entertain with it for 21 years. If people are new to the Centertaining story here, I know it's been on for 3 years, but how would you introduce that?
So yeah, for 21 years I've been sharing Temp-tations with all of you, and it's really been about transforming not only your dining experience, but also your home experience, making life easier with these great baking pieces. But then so many of you were using them all around your home, and you kept saying, would you design something for our outdoor spaces as well? And for me, my outdoor space is everything, and so it should be as nice outside as it is inside. So these are colorful, coordinated looks where you could pick up everything in the show, or you could pick up little pieces in the show and transform your space and make it personal and into your oasis.
And that'll coordinate, by the way, with a lot of things in the show.
That's my mission. Yes.
Like the big deal, which a lot of you have picked up today. If you want to go to QVC.com, go to the app, you can have an opportunity to do that. This is on 5Z payments of $15.89 if you want to get this entire set. One of 7 brand new items that you're picking up. If you're looking for the set of 3, they're still available as well, but like 1,000 of you have picked that one up. So it's just a great combination of things that work together to make that outdoor space beautiful. Wrapping up M80525, called the 7-piece gardening essentials kit. All of them essential, all of them working together. And really cute. Can I say that?
Yes.
Really cute.
Please say cute. Cute.
Okay. Well, a couple reminders, and then I think we have the bench coming up. Is that going to be the final item? Here comes the